Who is that?
That guy has a fancy name, but I think I need to pronounce it like this. It's French. Antoine Lavoisier. He recognized and named hydrogen and oxygen on the periodic table, but he's best known for knowing what oxygen does in combustion.
Wow. Okay. And who is this?
That's Daniel Bernoulli.
Oh, that's right. And what is he known for?
His principle explains how airplanes fly. It's because of the shape of the wing. The wing is shaped so that the air flows faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath. It's like the air has a little slide to go down for the airplane.
Yes, and who's this?
That's Galileo.
I love that drink. Okay. Well, it was named after him, I'm sure.